Today, we're going to share something really special for all of you who have been struggling with frizzy, dry, or curly hair. If you've ever dreamed of naturally straight, silky, and smooth hair without going to the salon or using any harsh chemicals, then you're in the right place. We're talking about natural keratin, a homemade hair treatment that transforms your hair from frizzy and coarse to smooth and straight. And the best part? You can make this right at home using simple ingredients from your kitchen. Let's get started with the first recipe, which is based on okra, also known as ladyfingers. This is a very powerful remedy for straightening curly, frizzy, or dry hair. It not only gives your hair a smoother texture, but also works from the roots to deeply nourish and strengthen your strands. To begin, we will need 4 fresh okra pods. Okra is a wonderful natural ingredient that treats dry and coarse hair, and its gel-like texture acts almost like a natural conditioner. Chop the okra into small slices. Smaller slices help in releasing more of that natural slime or gel that is so beneficial for our hair. And now, take a saucepan and put all the okra slices into it. Add 1 cup of water and place it on the stove. Let it boil for around 10 minutes. As it cooks, you'll notice the water turning thick and sticky. If you feel like the water is evaporating too fast, you can add a little more during the process. Once you get a sticky consistency, turn off the stove and allow the mixture to cool completely. Don't rush. This is important so you don't burn yourself when blending. After it cools down, blend it well in a mixer until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Then, filter it using a piece of clean cloth or gauze to remove any solid parts. What you'll get is a smooth gel that your hair will absolutely love. Okra is not only good for straightening, it also promotes hair growth, helps stop hair fall, and even sprouts hair in bald patches over time. It works deep into the scalp to nourish the hair follicles. Now let's make this even more effective. In a separate bowl, take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add a 1/4 cup of water. Mix it really well until it's completely dissolved and smooths. Now add this cornstarch mixture to the okra mixture and mix the two thoroughly. Put this mixture back into the saucepan and cook it on very low heat. Stirring constantly without stopping. This helps the cornstarch activate and gives us a thicker, more creamy consistency. Once it thickens nicely, turn off the heat and let it cool again for a few minutes. Then, filter it one more time to make sure there are no lumps. This creamy mixture is now your base keratin treatment. To this, we'll add 1 tablespoon of almond oil, amazing for shine and softness. And 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which deeply conditions and repairs the hair. Mix everything really well. Now comes the most important part: how to use it. First, divide your hair into several small sections. This makes it easier to apply the keratin evenly. Apply the cream to each section, from the roots all the way to the ends. Massage gently to make sure every strand is covered. Once done, cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap and leave it on for 2 hours. You can relax, enjoy some music, or read during this time. After 2 hours, simply rinse your hair with water only. Don't use shampoo right away. You'll instantly feel the difference. Your hair will be straighter, softer, and shinier than before. If your hair is very frizzy or curly, repeat this treatment twice a week for best results. And of course, if you found this helpful so far, please don't forget to click the like button to support the channel. Now let's move on to the second keratin recipe. This time using white rice. Rice is known for centuries for its amazing effects on hair. It makes the hair smooth, shiny, and soft. And when used the right way, it can mimic salon-style keratin treatments, all naturally. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of white rice and placing them into a saucepan. Add 2 large cups of water. and cook the rice until it's soft and well done. Once it's fully cooked, let it cool down for a few minutes. After it cools, blend the rice in a blender until you get a creamy paste. You may need to add a little water to help with blending. Once blended, filter the rice paste using a cloth to remove any leftover grains or chunks. Now you'll have a smooth, creamy base. Now, prepare the cornstarch mix again. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add half a cup of water. Mix until smooth. Now add the cornstarch mix to your rice paste. And mix everything thoroughly. Put the mixture into a saucepan and cook it on low heat for about a minute, stirring non-stop. As soon as it thickens, remove it from heat and let it cool slightly. Now it's time to add the nourishing oils. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, amazing for dry and damaged hair. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which softens hair and gives it a natural shine. Mix everything together until you get a rich, creamy hair mask. Now, just like before, divide your hair into sections and apply this mask from the scalp to the ends of each section. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap and leave it on for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair as usual with a mild shampoo. From the very first use, you'll notice your hair is much softer, shinier, and straighter. It almost feels like you just got a keratin treatment done at a salon. Use this treatment twice a week for long-term results and to maintain that gorgeous, straight hair. This is a great step-by-step treatment, especially if your hair is damaged, frizzy, or lacks volumes. So whether you choose the okra-based keratin or the rice-based one, both are effective, safe, and natural ways to care for your hair at home. Try these recipes and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from these natural treatments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.